What if you could live in one of New West's most vibrant, walkable neighborhoods without having to pay the premium of the area's pricey new developments? I'm Jay with the Hazelwood team, and this is Park Villa. Let's go take a look. Step inside this ground level 1-bedroom suite to find a beautifully refreshed interior with fresh paint throughout. You're going to love the kitchen setup. It's in fantastic condition and comes updated with a high-end stainless steel appliance package, highlighting a premium induction range and an over-the-range microwave. The layout opens into a private living space that connects seamlessly to your covered patio. Because this suite faces completely away from the street, you get to enjoy the quiet, private side of the building, neatly framed by mature landscaping. You also get absolute peace of mind. The building is proactively managed with an updated elevator and newer boiler system. Plus, the major building-wide repiping project is currently underway and has already been fully paid for. The convenience here is completely unbeatable. You have quick access to both Braid and Sapperton SkyTrain stations, and you're just a short stroll from Royal Columbian Hospital and all the local shops and cafes along East Columbia Street. Plus, you're just steps away from incredible community green spaces like Sapperton Park and Hume Park. City living quite literally does not get easier than this. Fresh paint, premium features, fully paid infrastructure, and a neighborhood lifestyle that checks every single box. If you've been looking for the perfect entry point into the market, call your agent today for your own private viewing, or visit thehazelwoodteam.com for more details. I'm Jay with the Hazelwood team, and your next move starts here.